In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to make money as a teenager without a job. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Even if you're not a teenager, don't you want to make money? Don't you want to make money in your spare time? If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it, don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end, like I said. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? Where are you tuning in from? I want to meet you guys, like for real. Introduce yourselves in the comments. Leave your trademark. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, I owe you one. God bless you. Thank you for always tuning in to watch your girl. Thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you're here to join the family, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bells, and also share this video with your friends and your village members. Yes. So without further ado, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. If you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I'm based here in California. I drop 3 videos every week. So make it a day to join me right here on this channel, where I share various ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home, and so many ways to make money that no one is actually talking about. And just like I always say, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The day you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Yes. So let's just go right into today's topic: how to make money as a teenager. Hey Joe, we're making money this year. So guys, one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online as a teenager without a job is through the use of online earning websites. I'm telling you. Now, these platforms offer simple tasks that can be completed without any specialized skills. While some of these websites actually have high competition, there are also lesser known platforms that offer hidden opportunities to earn money. So when you explore these secret websites to make money, you can discover potential income streams that are often overlooked by a lot of people. I told you, I'm going to be spilling the tea on this channel. Now, these online earning platforms provide a variety of tasks that you can choose from, like taking surveys, critiquing videos. Yes, you can criticize videos and make money from it. You can test websites and so much more. And for you to maximize your earnings, it is important to choose the platforms that actually aligns with your interests and financial needs. Yes. One way is to earn money with mobile apps. Yes. I know you're probably addicted to your phone like most teenagers. And then you can, guess what? You can make money with it. I think it's just a brilliant idea for you to make money with the phone that you're already addicted to. The use of mobile apps is one of the best ways to actually do this. Yes, they are legitimate mobile apps that offer online earning opportunities, and they provide teenagers without a job with a free and efficient way to make quick money online. So whether you're 13 years old, 14, 15, or 17, or even older, you can earn by using these apps. These apps actually offer cash rewards by completing simple and enjoyable tasks like listening to music. Yes, so you can listen to music and make money. We can watch videos. You can also shop online. And what's even more remarkable is that some of these apps will pay you for sharing your unused internet data. Like, it's crazy. I'm telling you, crazy easy, stupid ways to make money online. So guys, it's as simple as installing these apps on your phone and letting them run in the background while you go about your daily activities. Yes. To actually get started, so you check out some of the best apps to actually make some extra income. If you want me to list them one by one, please leave it in the comments. Yes. Another way to actually make money from the comfort of your home as a student is through freelancing. Yes, so you can become a freelancer, and freelancing actually offers a career path that grants you freedom to choose your clients, to set your own working hours, and determine your pay rates. Yes, rates for your services. It's actually a lucrative opportunity for young adults with a specific skill set to earn money without a traditional job. The beauty of freelancing is that even if you lack specific skills or experience, there are still plenty of easy services that you can offer to make money online as a teenager. And you can use platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, and freelancer.com. They have actually gained popularity as they provide a wide array of opportunities for people, both local and international clients and businesses. Yes, so another way to make money online is to answer questions as a teenager. You can just answer questions and make money. I've done a lot of question answerings like that. I've done a lot of surveys and I've made money. Yes. I shared with you guys I made $600 from completing 2 surveys. Yes, it's a survey, but it was done in 2 parts. It was $300 per survey. So yes, you can make money. It's cool cash from the comfort of your home. It costs you nothing. So as a teenager, chances are that you possess valuable knowledge in a particular subject that can be monetized by answering questions online. And there are numerous websites and apps that actually connect users with experts in academic fields, and they offer payments for each question that you answer. Even if you don't consider yourself an expert in a specific area, you can still earn money by selling your previously answered questions, assignments, and class notes on various platforms. These platforms actually provide an opportunity to leverage your existing work and earn an income from it. And there are several highly reputable platforms that are available that will pay you to answer questions or sell your previous school materials. Yes, these platforms can actually be a great starting point for teenagers looking to earn money while sharing their expertise. And by utilizing your knowledge and providing valuable assistance, you can not only earn money, but you can also help other teenagers that are seeking answers in various subjects. Yes. So okay. So I think I should share with you guys two platforms where you can actually sell, your past work. Yeah. So I'll suggest Quizlet. Yes, Quizlet is one, and Chegg is one. So Quizlet.com is one, and Chegg.com is another one. Go there and thank me later. So yes, another way to actually make money online is by selling your photos. Yes, so selling not necessarily your pictures, but selling photos. Yes. So you can take random photos of places and then sell it. So yes, so guys, selling photos can be a great way for teenagers with a passion for photography to make money without a job. So there's an increasing demand for high quality stock images, and you can actually capitalize on this to make a lot of money by selling photos on reputable apps and websites. For you to thrive in this venture, it's important to have a camera and a keen eye for capturing unique and captivating images that stand out from the competition. Yes, you also need to be able to pay attention to details, and mastering composition will help you create photos that resonate with potential buyers. And you also need to stay updated with current market trends and understanding what types of images are in high demand. This is very, very crucial. You also need to align your photography with popular themes and subjects, and you can increase your chances of selling your work and generating income. Hey guys, what are you waiting for? I told you guys in one of my videos that I have a friend, this is as far back as like 15 years ago, that used to sell his pictures. He was always taking random pictures. I'm telling you, he goes to different countries though, and he take pictures. He calls it the everyday person or something, like everyday guy. So he takes pictures and he sells them online. You can imagine, so you can start by taking random pictures with your phone, going to some of these websites to see how you can, sell your pictures, your photography. It doesn't have, like I said, you don't have to take your pictures and sell your pictures. You can take random pictures of places, people, locations. It's like going to San Francisco or going to New York City, taking those pictures and selling them, clear pictures, and you can start even with your phone. Just make sure that you clean the lens, clean it each time you want to take pictures. You'll be surprised at the outcome of those photos. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually make money from all of these avenues that I've shared in this video, and thank me later. So it's all about winning, and winning real big. On this channel, I love to share valuable information that will help my people in Timmy, that will help you become a better version of yourself. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. I'm working for you guys day and night. So guys, I will see you in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.